Now TV is readily available on your Xumo Stream Box, providing an easy way to access live television and streaming content through a single device. To get started, you'll need two essential components: a Xumo Stream Box connected to your TV via HDMI, and an active Xfinity Internet or Internet Essentials subscription. From your Xumo Stream Box home screen, simply select the Xfinity Stream app. This will open the Now TV homepage where you can access all your content. Once inside Now TV, you can browse live television channels, explore on-demand content, or use the voice remote to search for specific programs. The interface brings everything together in one convenient location. As an added bonus, your Now TV subscription includes Peacock Premium at no extra cost, giving you access to even more streaming content and enhancing your overall entertainment experience. When using Now TV on your Xumo Stream Box, you might encounter some common issues. Here are the most effective solutions to get you back to streaming quickly. The most common problem is Now TV channels not appearing in your Xfinity Stream app. This usually happens when your Xumo Stream Box needs an update or you're not logged in with the correct credentials. First, ensure your Xumo Stream Box is up to date. Then, verify you're logged into the Xfinity Stream app with your correct Xfinity account credentials. Another common issue is voice remote problems. If your voice button isn't working or the remote becomes unresponsive, try these simple fixes. Replace the remote batteries first, as this solves most remote issues. If that doesn't work, repair the remote with your Xumo Stream Box by following the pairing instructions. Now let's explore how to maximize your Now TV experience with features you might not know about. Now TV allows you to stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously using the Xfinity Stream app. This means you can watch different shows on your TV, tablet, and phone at the same time. Your Now TV subscription includes Peacock Premium at no extra cost. To activate it, visit xfinity.com/activate-p and log in with your Xfinity account credentials. If you continue experiencing issues after trying these solutions, Xfinity customer support is available to help. They can provide personalized assistance for your specific setup and resolve any persistent problems.